What is font variant property? Well, font variant property represents CSS property that we can use to set how we want to display lowercase letters. For font variant, we can use predefined values, so we can use normal and small caps. Font variant normal represents default value for every text in your website, and font variant normal will display capital letters like regular capital letters and lowercase letters like regular lowercase letters. On the other hand, with the font variant small caps, your text will be converted so capital letters will stay capital and lowercase letters will be converted to capital letters but just in a small size or size of lowercase letters. Okay, let's see some examples to clarify this. So for this part, I have already prepared simple HTML document structure. Our HTML document has head and body. Inside of body, we have two text paragraphs. And inside of head, we have just title for this document. I saved this like index.html on the desktop. So let's minimize our text editor. This is our index web page, so let's open it. And this is how our web page looks like for now. Okay, so first step that I want to do, for our text paragraphs, let's define class HTML attributes. Like a value for the first one, let's set normal. Now feel free to copy complete class HTML attribute from here. And let's paste it for our second paragraph. And let's replace normal with the small caps. Okay, so now inside of head, let's define style block where we're going to define our styles. So we want to create our class selectors for normal and the small caps. As we know, class selector starts always with a dot, so let's first set dot, normal, declaration block. Inside of declaration block, let's define font variant CSS property. Okay, and like value for this, let's set normal. Okay, let's do the same for our second class selector or for small caps. Dot, small caps. Okay, let's define declaration block. Inside of it, let's set font variant. Okay, like value, let's set small caps. Okay, now let's save these changes. Let's go back in our web browser and let's refresh it. So as you can see, now we have some changes. For first paragraph, we don't have any change. Basically, the reason for this is that for first paragraph, we have set font variant to normal, and that is default or value that is always set. And for our second paragraph, we have that our capital letters are still capital, and our lowercase letters are also capital now, but just in a small size. So basically, this is how small caps font variant works. So if we analyze our web page, click on right click and inspect. On the right hand side, we have code. Okay. So let's expand head. Let's expand body. Let's expand style. So these are our class selectors. And down here, let's click on second paragraph. So we have our small caps class selector with the font variant CSS property. So if we uncheck this, you can see how our lowercase are returned to regular lowercase. And if we check it back, you can see how lowercase are actually uppercase letters just in a small size. So this is how font variant CSS property works, so feel free to play around with this. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate or PayPal. Please remember, even a little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.